in by Connie from South Florida, and she said she happened to notice as she was out working on her camper here, she happened to notice what seemed like the sun flicker, and you can see the sun's up in the sky and there's no clouds, so she began recording the sun. This was from October the 5th in the morning of 2022, and you can clearly see it looks like the sun is doing some sort of pulsating in the sky. So I received Connie's video from South Florida, and then I received another video from Southwest Florida, Sanibel Island. Goes back to September 13th of 2022. And you can clearly see on this day there were no clouds in the sky, just like Connie's video, and the sun appears to be pulsating. Could be some sort of a processing anomaly. I don't know. But Connie, in the first video that I shared
Did you
with
know
guys,
the calamities of the past 2 months?
the light,
Earthquakes,
daylight,
volcanic
flicker. That's what
eruptions,
compelled her
extreme
to
weather.
record the sun.
These are
This
warnings
video
to the
was
whole of
sent in by
humanity,
Brendan
from
out of
elites to
Connecticut,
ordinary
and this
people
video
in
is
all
from
countries.
October the 7th of 2022.
The warnings in the past
Less
2
than
months
48
to help
hours ago,
humanity
this
wake
was
up not to
detected by
continue to
his
sin.
Nest camera
Lying,
on the front of
greed
his
for
house.
wealth and
And as you're
lust
going
is
to see in
serving
this
the
video,
devil.
as the sun enters
But
the field of
humanity is
view
still
of his
increasing
Nest
crime
camera,
and
you can
war.
clearly see
So in the
that
next
the
6
sun
days the
looks
sun
like
will do
it's
something that
pulsating.
scares the
I don't
whole
know if that's
world.
because the trees
Cern
may be
has found
interfering with
evidence
the
of
light,
fourth, fifth
and the camera
dimension.
is attempting
This means
to
that there are
focus
many
on
higher
the extreme.
universes coexisting around us. God is real, God is true. Yes is yes, no is no. God does not like flattery and weakness. God is watching everyone's actions. If God leaves, then this world will be destroyed by evil. If those in control would just tell the truth and let go of power, they'll see sights you've never seen before. I hope you change and stop sinning. Fight the evil within yourself. You join me against the abortion law, Roe v. Wade, to save the world from destruction when evil comes. You all know right and wrong. You also know abortion is killing children from the womb. Let's inspire strong and responsible life to everyone. We need to resist tyranny and rule over people. We are against unjust oppression. We need to fight those who hurt and hurt their people while defending pedophilia, abortion, sex trade, sex. Life is not for everyone. A gift only for the one who deserves it. Share it with everyone. Thank you. You should worship and glorify only one Creator. The Creator is cosmic, who created you and all things. Cosmic has only one Creator. Ask the Creator to forgive you for the mistakes you have made against the will of the Creator. The Creator does not forsake anyone to return to the Creator. My prayers go to those who are being raped, persecuted, tortured by traffickers, those who are facing a cruel fate, those that no media outlet is talking about. I also pray for children who are being tortured in the womb, who think that their baby is an animal from the moment they are in the womb. They want to destroy it.
Miss Bass, you didn't use the words that were confusing, so I'm not going to yield to you.
And it is my bill.
But you didn't use the words in description of it.
And
that were
guess
confusing.
why?
It was Miss Ross who used those words.
Who-
And if I
so
want to ask
what?
questions of Miss Ross, she could choose whether or not to yield to give the answers. But you covering
but
for
you're
her,
not really
she
interested
doesn't
in
know
the
the words
answers.
she
She's
uses
just
and
interested
cannot
in the
in the
theater.
Judiciary Committee sit and answer the questions
You
on something
answer
as
the
important
question.
as life or death when I control the time is outrageous.
Are you done?
I'm
with
done
your
when my
theater?
time's done. And when
Mr.
I'm done,
Gates'
you can
time.
yield you can yield for those questions. But it's crazy that in this committee, when I'm trying to get honest answers to questions about the effect of the bill,
You don't want
whether or not it
honest
paves the way to abortions, that you all want to sit up there and squawk at me rather than allow me to ask questions. When you have the time, you can control the time. How about that? But these are fair questions. She used the phrase unborn child.
This is
I would like
theater.
to know what that means to her, because what it means
Then
to
ask her
us
on a break.
is that it is a life. But you know what? I want the answer on the record, Miss Bass. I want the answer for the American people, because to all of us, my party that was impugned, we actually think that unborn life is a child and that there is a liberty interest there that is worthy of our defense and our protection and the values that undergird the American Constitution. I don't think that's too unreasonable. And by the way, if you use a phrase in this committee, you shouldn't have to have a senior member answer the questions for you. You should be able to answer those questions yourself. And if not, I think it speaks to the credibility of the debate that is offered. So I'll yield, Ms. Bass. I got 50 seconds.
Thank you. I would like for us to vote on the amendment. I think the bill is clear. The rest of this discussion is theater. I would like to vote on the amendment.
Well,
Can we vote on the amendment, Mr. Chair?
I tell you what, Ms. Bass, reclaiming my time. We'll vote when we're damn well ready and when we're done answering our questions.
Oh, you chair the committee now?
No, we have rights in the minority to utilize time under the 5-minute rule to be able to offer our perspective on matters. And we're sorry if you all are in such a rush to kill unborn life that you're unwilling to answer our questions. But you know what? The good news is, with the Supreme Court we currently have, this is now a pro-life country, and we've got all the time in the world for that. I yield back.